Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up because all of those things really help my channel. And I really appreciate it. So thank you in advance for that. So today's quick and easy day, and this is super quick and easy. I had to show this because I absolutely love this vellum. It is super thick, y'all. Look at this little treat bag. Oh my gosh, this is such good quality vellum. It's really nice and thick. This one it's embossed, so you can see the little like snow on it. I thought it'd be perfect for a Christmas one. I love the tag because it made it just super simple, just to make it a lot easier. Not like my one last quick and easy day, but they're all so fun to do. I love this time of year, y'all. I just love this holiday crafting, holiday paper crafts, anything. I love all the holidays that are just coming. Now I did on the top of here, I did use the basic borders, but this one I'm going to just do plain because you can just do it plain. But if you want to use the basic borders, I did use these, and I used this one right here. And it was super simple to do. You've seen me put borders on the edge, and if you want to do that, you have options here for different borders. But I did put that one on there. I'm using the Window Wishes bundle. Oh my gosh, y'all are going to see a lot of this because I absolutely love it. It's so cool. There's so many things in this. I mean, for cards, for 3D. So I'm using this, but I am using it for the wreath here. And then I'm using the Merry Wishes from the stamp set. And then I'm using the designer tags. And this is the tag I chose, but you can choose any of these tags. This is the one that I'm using for this one because it's just so pretty, and I just wanted a little bit more added detail on this one. So that is what we're using for this. The vellum I have to show you. It is so beautiful. So this comes in silver, and it is iridescent, I want to say. So I guess you can see that there. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. And this is snowflakes, and it's got it in the like snow as well. And then this is another snowflake. And then these are the embossed. They're real fuzzy and lifted, raised, embossed. And then it comes in the other snowflake. And then in this, that I did these with the little snow. Isn't that so pretty? This would be so cute on a card too. But isn't this paper just gorgeous? This vellum, it's very thick, y'all. It's really nice quality. It's not like your thin vellum that I've bought before. That's one thing I have to tell you about Stampin' Up! You're paying for quality. They have really good quality, and I really pride myself in saying that because it's the fact why I started with Stampin' Up! And the cardstock, I absolutely love the quality of it. So we are using this. You can make two out of one of those 12 by 12 because I wanted to make it a little bit more economical where you can make at least two. So we are going to start with a piece that's 6 by 8 1/4. And then that's exactly what I used for this one. I'm going to stamp the wreath, and then I'm going to run the wreath and the tag through the cut and emboss so that we have our pieces ready to go for our tag. We'll stamp the sentiment. So this is the little wreath from the Window Wishes. There's so many new things. I have to learn them all. So isn't that such a cute wreath? I just love that. And then I'm going to go ahead, and that's what I did in real red, and then I'm going to use garden green for the sentiment. And I'm just going to stamp these while we are going here. So I can just cut this when we are done. running it through the cut and emboss. I almost messed that up. How did I get that on my finger? You never know. Always stick your finger in something. All right, I'm going to run this through, and then I'm going to run the wreath through, and I'll be right back with all the pieces. All right, so we have the wreath, and we need to, actually, I should have brought my little brush up here. You need to poke out all these little tiny pieces on here. And if I would have brought my brush, I could have brushed them all out super quick and easy. But of course, you know, I forgot to bring it up here. But this does not take much time at all. Let's get these little pieces all out of here. It does make a mess though, so I do like using my brush for that, because there's a lot of little pieces. All right, isn't that pretty though? Look how pretty that is. So let me scoot this out of the way and get this in the trash. All right, now I'm gonna just cut this. And now all our pieces are ready for that. I'm gonna go ahead and make up the tag, because I am going to be putting some of our new enamel effects on it. I still got a couple pieces in there. And so we are going to put on the wreath, and I'm using the mini dimensionals for this. So we're going to put that on. Just to pop it up on there, give it a little bit more interest. I find these things everywhere. How many are you like that? Find these little backings on your dimensionals. Oh my goodness, I find them all over the house, in my socks, all over the place. All right, so we're going to do that, and then I'm just going to use my wet glue, and we're going to just put a little bit on both ends here, right in the center of that wreath. And I'm going to grab, I'm using the black. These are pearlized enamel effect bases. It comes in a bunch. It has the white, the black, and the red. I actually wish this was green, but it does look really pretty on here. I did my other one with it. So I'm just putting a few small ones on here. But it does add a little bit. Like it has some little berries on there. Oops, I'm making those a little bit too big. There we go. I like the smaller ones, but I'm going to set it aside so that those dry. Okay, so we are going to score the bag. And I'm scoring it on the side that is not embossed. And we are going to score this on the 8 1/4 inch side, because it's 8 1/4 by 6. We're going to score it, and I'm using my thicker end of the stylus, and we are going to score it at 2 and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1/2 inch. It's a really, really easy one, y'all. You can make a bunch of these. They'd be so cute for so many different things. Classrooms or anything. It'd be really cute at a table for your guests. So we are cutting these two bottom sides off. That one, and then we're going to do this side as well. And that is all we're doing on this. Now, one of these sides, this one right here, is wider than this side, and there's a reason for that. So we are going to fold this. And let me go ahead and do this one while we have scoring, or our bone folder out. So I'm going to use the tear and tape on here, and we're just going to run it down the side here. And then I'm going to use it on the bottom. Make sure those are down real good. I'm going to grab my paper piercer tool here and take off this backing. You're going to fold this side over, and then this is going to go over. And then we're going to remove the backing from this bottom. And if you really want to get fancy, you can cut a little bit of an angle on here like they have, you know, those bags that, and then you just fold that over just like that. But look at how cute, and look how easy that is. I put M&Ms in there, but you can put Hershey's Kisses in here, Ghirardelli's. The Christmas Ghirardelli would be really cute. So I am going to punch 2 holes in here next. And I'm just eyeballing it, so you can do it how you like. You can measure it out if you want. And then I am using our red and green, garden green, 3/8 inch ribbon again. I love this combo pack. I'm going to use, let's use the green one this time. Garden green. Let's change it up a bit. We'll do 1 garden green and 1 real red. I should have brought some more candy up here. I didn't have a bunch of Christmas candy, so I'm really getting anxious to get to find Christmas candy out, but I know it's gonna be a while. But we're gonna just tie a bow in here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our tag right here. I'm gonna try not to touch it because I'm sure that is still wet. And we are going to tie this. I'm going to try to tie it on the spool because I don't want to waste any. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I'm trying not to touch that tag. I should have done it after I got finished. This way I wouldn't have to worry about it touching it. And cut this, and then I'll cut this end here. I like the green too. It's really pretty because it sets off that little bit of green there. But you can see if you want to put the edging on it, you can put the edging. If you don't, you don't have to. But really super, super quick and easy. But here you go. Here's the one that has the border on it, and here's the plain one. They're both really, really sweet. I love this paper. I can't wait to use the snowflakes, but I thought this one would be perfect for a little treat bag. And in fact, if you don't put the edging on it, I should have brought this up a little bit more. You know, you can cut that. I'm gonna see what it looks like just to cut a little bit off. I think I'd like it better closer to the top. Yeah, I think so. So however you want to do it, you go for it. But I hope you enjoyed it, everyone, because these would be super quick and easy and just a fun one for the holidays. If you need any supplies, you can shop right from my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And this is the July host code. If you use it, I appreciate it. I always put whoever uses it in a drawing at the end of the month, and then I contact you with free rewards. And it all depends. Sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes it's less, depending on how many of you use the host code. But it is free money, so I hope you enjoy it. All right, everyone, thanks so much. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.